Howdy folks, it's me again. I'm back with the same old orange machine. This is the F2690. If anybody has this machine, it's a diesel operated front facing mower. We have a brush attachment on it, but regardless, if you have the problem where your PTO engage doesn't work anymore, and all of a sudden your hydraulic fluid's all over the place, well, this is a video for you. This is the second time this has happened on this machine. This machine has 86.9 hours on it. Now, the last time this has happened was approximately 6 operating hours ago. And when this does happen, it will leave you stranded, so wherever you're at, you're going to have to get towed. Or tow yourself. Do whatever. Now, the issue, if you remember my last video, underneath there's a linkage, and it goes into the side of the hydraulic pump. Or something of them such as. And internally, it separates, it shears, and it pops out the side of the case, and it pops that seal with it. And that seal's about the size of a skateboard bearing. Pops right out the side of the case, and that's where your linkage goes in, and you know, it's where you can engage and disengage. If that goes wrong, you're shit out of luck. If you know how to fix it, do so. Leave it in the comments, because this is just like a rant video, because I don't know how to fix it. I'm not tearing that thing apart. It's already gotten torn apart once by the dealer, and they put it back together, and it worked for a while. So I don't know what they did, but it's got to go back. I towed it, and I was pushing it into here with the tractor. I bent our hood. You can see that clear as day, huh? Yeah. So that's cool. It's not that we hit shit, we're hitting this thing. It's because it's a piece of junk. Oh, and then it's rear steering. You lift up the front, you gotta lift these guys up. Nightmare. Don't use chain. You'll freaking pop your lines right there. I know from experience. What else? Yeah, this thing is on my shit list. I don't know what. It's a great snow remover. Snow machine. You can get into places, sidewalks, parking lot, around cars. It does it. It's nice. It launches the snow off of the road onto the, like, you know, where it's out of the way. You don't have big snow piles anywhere. It's just like it's like a snow blower, and it cleans the ground too. Any sticks, pine needles, pine cones, leaves, gonzo, dirt. But that comes with a hefty price.